Hi everyone, and welcome to my craft room for the bow making series. So tonight I'm going to be working with this beautiful ribbon, absolutely gorgeous. And this ribbon is wire edged, so because there's wire in the edge of the ribbon, that means that it holds its shape. And it's very easy to work with. So if you're wanting to do a very simple single loop bow for maybe a bow to go on a picture frame or your Christmas tree for Christmas decorations, all I'm going to do is pinch it in the middle, hold it between your index finger and your thumb, bring up your loop, pinch it together, then I'm going to give it a twist. And the reason that I'm doing that is the design's only on one side of the ribbon. So if it was double-sided, I wouldn't have to do that little twist there, but I want the design to be all the way around the ribbon. Cut a little fishtail on this side, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a bit of wire. I'm going to use a bit of bullion wire. Now this is quite thin, and if you pull it, it will snap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double that up. So I'm going to take a length, I've got about 40 centimeters here. I'm going to double it over. So I'm going to go with a double strand, put the wire across the middle and just tuck it underneath your thumbnail. That'll just help you get a good grip on it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold the ribbon over, trying to get the loops to match up in length, so when you open it, it'll be the same size. And I'm going to bring the tails round, tails of the wire, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pinch them together like that and just give the whole thing a twist. And if I open that up, that's creating a lovely bow shape that you can use for your decorations at Christmas. Making a bigger bow with the same ribbon. I love working with wire edged ribbon. It's so easy to work with and it's so luxurious. I think it makes projects look really pretty. I think it looks fabulous if you decorate your presents and gift bags and all sorts with them. So starting off, pinch it together and hold it in between your index finger and your thumb. Bring your loop up. If you can imagine, your bow is going to be the same, loop is going to be the same size on that side, so that's going to give you an overall bow shape. So pinching that together, I'm going to have to do a little twist at this point because I want the design to be on the fabric. This is just a one-sided design. So make yourself another loop, bring it up into the center, twist, create a loop to the center. All I'm doing is I'm literally catching that and securing all of them in place using my index finger and my thumb. It's quite fiddly and it does take a little bit of practice, but once you've done it, you'll whiz through and you'll have loads made for your Christmas tree in no time. So there's 4 loops and you can literally keep going and going. Six loops. 7, 8, and then when you get to this point, you can create yourself a little tail. Now I could use the wire, but it's not very strong and I want a real secure knot to hold it all together, so I'm going to take a length, probably about 30 centimeters of this cream satin ribbon, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop that across the bow right over where I've got it all pinched together. Just like the ribbon, I'm going to take both tails down and I'm going to pull it away from us. The tighter you pull it and the tighter you get your knot, the more shape you'll have in your bow. So I've got them 2 tails there. I'm just going to tie it in a little bow underneath as tight as I can. Double knot, and then I can open the bow out and just have a play about with the loops and make sure that I'm happy with where they are. And that's your lovely full bow. Well, I hope you've liked the wired ribbon series. Stay tuned for the next one, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.